Hello students, this is Deepa handling 9th standard chemistry. Already we have discussed the lesson atomic structure. In this today we are going to discuss about the topic isotopes, isobars and isotones. Okay, so what is isotopes? Isotopes are nothing but atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. So see here, there is a three species of hydrogen atom is given. One is protium, another one is deuterium and the third one is tritium. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம hydrogen H அப்படினு மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். But there are three forms of hydrogen atoms. What is they? Protium, deuterium and tritium. So see this, the atomic number of protium, deuterium and tritium are same. So protium ஒரே ஒரு atomic number தான் இருக்கு. கீழ எழுதுறது atomic number. Already we know. On the top we have write the mass number. நமக்கே தெரியும். So in protium both are same. In deuterium the mass number is 2 and tritium the mass number is 3. So in the atomic number is same and the mass number is different. First same element இப்படி எழுதினோம்னா it is called as an isotope. So in nature there are so many elements have been identified with have the same atomic number but different mass number. So this is one example, that is hydrogen atom. The next one is carbon and chlorine. So isotopes of carbon is nothing but carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 atoms. Okay, so in carbon we have a 6 neutron, in carbon 13 we have a 7 neutron and carbon 14 we have a 8 neutron. So the number of neutrons changed, so the mass number is also changed. Okay, so carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 also example for isotope. Similarly chlorine atom, in chlorine we have chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Okay, the mass number is 35 and 37. So it is also example for isotopes. So next isotopes are nothing but it has the same atomic number but different in mass number. There are two types of isotopes. What are they? It means stable isotope and unstable isotope. Okay, so as a name itself say stable isotope it must be stable. For example carbon, chlorine, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தாலே it is called as a stable isotope. Unstable isotope means it has more number of neutrons in their nuclei. The nucleusல ரொம்ப maximum amount of neutrons இருந்ததுனா it can't be able to stable more. ரொம்ப நாள் இருக்க முடியாம it becomes as a radioactive element மாறுறதுனால that isotopes are called as radioisotopes. So the isotopes which are unstable as a result of the extra neutrons in the nuclei are radioactive and are called radioisotopes. It may be important 2 mark question. And example for radioisotopes are uranium 35 and cobalt 60. Okay, so uranium 35 and cobalt 60 are an example for radioactive isotopes. They must be used in radiotherapy treatment. நிறைய இதெல்லாம் பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா, artificial radiotherapy treatments எல்லாம் பார்க்குறோம் for cancer and any other thing. For that they are using this types of radioisotopes, uranium 235 and cobalt 60. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about isobar. Okay, isobar is nothing but atoms of different elements with different atomic number which have the same mass number are known as isobars. So isotope அப்படினா atoms of same element, isobar atoms of different element. Isotope has a same atomic number and different mass number, but isobar has a same mass number and different in atomic number. ரெண்டும் அப்படியே opposite. Okay, so same element இருந்தா it is isotope, different element இருந்தா it is isobar. Okay, atomic number same இருக்கும் இங்க isotopeல. So isobarல atomic number is different. What about the mass number? The mass number is the same in isobar, it is different in isotope. Okay, so the definition for isobar is atoms of different elements with different atomic number which have the same mass number known as isobars. That is the number of nucleons are same. So mass number already you know, mass number is nothing but number of protons plus number of neutrons. It is collectively called as nucleons. So the number of nucleons are same, then it is known as a isobar. So example for isobar is calcium and argon. See the diagram. In argon and calcium there are equal number of mass number 40 and whatever the atomic number, for argon it is 18, so for calcium it is 20. Okay, so this is an example for isobar. bar, isobar. Argon and calcium is an example for isobar. Next we are going to discuss about isotone. Isotone is nothing but atoms of different element with a different atomic number, different mass number, but with the same number of neutrons are called isotones. So atomic number differ ஆயிருக்கும், mass number differ ஆயிருக்கும், but the number of neutrons present in atom is called isotope. இது example பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கே புரியும். See the example, carbon, boron, both are given here. So for boron the atomic number is 5. For carbon the atomic number is 6. What about the mass number for boron? 11, carbon 12. So atomic number different, mass number different. See the number of neutron present in both the atom. What it is? 6 neutron. So it is called as an isotone. So atomic number different, mass number different, but both the atoms has equal number of neutrons. Then it is called as an isotones. Kindly remember, if the number of nucleons are equal, then it is called as an isobar. If the number of neutrons are equal, then it is called as an isotone. Okay, so today what we are discussed, isotope, isobar and isotones. Isotope is nothing but different mass number. As the top itself, top, isotope la top அப்படினு ஒரு word வருதா. So different mass number இங்க தான் எழுதுவோம், on the top of the element ல தான் எழுத போறோம். Okay, so the different in mass number is known as isotope. Similarly isobar, bar, base ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. So base ல என்ன எழுதுவோம், atomic number. So different in atomic number for different element, then it is known as an isobar. So isotones, equal number of neutrons. So atomic number differ ஆகும், mass number differ ஆகும், but it has a equal number of neutrons. So this is the topic we are going to discuss here, isotope, isobar and isotones. So go through your portions regularly, study well and do the assignments. Okay, thank you students.